how you can create your own custom WhatsApp avatar on your smartphone. Is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in today's tutorial. So very soon I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and showing you how you can actually do that with either your normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, anyone that you want to use. But before I proceed, let me just introduce myself briefly for the sake of those meeting me for the very first time today. My name is Mandy Rachel Okweligwe. I am a digital marketing consultant, and right here on my YouTube channel, I teach you ways you can leverage on your smartphone to make money online. So if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you're going to be the first to know. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends, especially your friends that actually use WhatsApp for business. And finally, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're currently enjoying this video. If you enjoyed the tutorial, if you got value from the tutorial, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Which other tutorial would you like me to bring your way? Let me know in the comment section. Do you have any questions? Feel free as well to also drop your questions in the comment section. Okay guys, let's not waste time and talk too much. I'm just going to go right into the tutorial for today, how to create your own custom WhatsApp avatars on your smartphone.
You open up the WhatsApp that you want to use, either WhatsApp Business or normal WhatsApp. The next thing you're going to now do is you click on this three dots here, as I'm circling here. You click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see settings. So you're going to see avatar, right? This is avatar right here. So you're going to see avatar. Click on avatar, then you're going to see create your avatar. Just tap on that create your avatar, and once you do that, you're going to see all of this. You can read it if you want. Then you click on get started. So once you click on get started, you choose your skin tone. So I'm going to go with my own skin tone. And then the next thing, you're going to select an hairstyle. So there are several hairstyles here for you to choose from. So just select anyone that you feel like suits your personality. Do you understand? Because you want the avatar to feel like it is you. So let me just pick this one. I think this one is just pick one. Let's not waste time on this. Then you can change the color of your hair. So let me just make it black, or choose any color that you like, and even make it teal. It all depends on you. Do you understand? Then you come here and you pick an outfit for yourself. So just pick any outfit that you like. Okay, so let me just go with this one that is looking corporate, right? So let me just pick that one. And then you can come here, you choose your body type. So just choose the body type that best suits you. So then you come here, you choose the shape of your eyes. So depending on the shape of your eyes, you're trying to make it look like you. So I'm going to leave it at the default one. And so you choose the color of your eye. Is it dark? Is it brown? Just choose your eye color. And then you choose your eye makeup, your eyelashes. How do you want it to look like? So just choose the one that you like. Here you choose your eyebrows. So I'm just going to pick this one. This one looks more like my eyebrow. And then I'm going to pick the color of my eyebrow. So just change the color to what you want. Do you understand?
Okay guys, before we proceed with the tutorial, I need to let you know that you can as well create personalized stickers with your own personal image, that is your own picture or any other image at that, and it will actually help you close more sales, especially if you use WhatsApp for business. I have a training on this which I only give to members of my exclusive community. So if you would love to be a part of my exclusive community, that is, you would love to be in my inner circle, all you really have to do right now is check out this video that I'm pointing out right here. This video is going to take you through the basics and the process of getting started with affiliate marketing in Nigeria, and learn how you can actually make between 200,000 naira to 400,000 naira weekly using just your smartphone. Okay guys, let us continue with the tutorial.
And then here you're going to choose your bindi. This one is mostly for Indians, right? But if you like it, just select the one that you want, but I'm not going to be using this. And then you're going to come here and choose your nose shape. Okay, so I think the second one is perfect for me. Then medium or large. Do you have a large nose? Do you have a medium nose or small nose, right? Just pick it. So I'm going to go with medium. and then come here, you're going to see nose piercings. Do you have nose piercings, or do you want your avatar to have nose piercings? Just pick the one you want. Here you're going to come and choose the shape of your mouth. So just basically play with everything. So I want, this is like the shape of my mouth, and then I want it full because I have a full mouth, so I think it's this one. Yeah, this is looking more like it. And then you come here, you select your lip color. So I think I like this, or just pick something really nice for yourself that you think you want, right? So then you come here, and then you pick the shape of your face. So is your face narrow, medium, or wide? I'll go with medium. And come here, select your jawline, just basically play around it and pick the one that best suits your personality, right? So choose your jawline, come here. Do you have any face markings? Does anyone here represent your face markings? Select the one that you want. Come back here, face lines. Do you have any face lines? Face lines are like wrinkles and all of that. Do you want anyone that depicts how your face looks like naturally? Choose the one that you want. And then you come here, you're going to see mustache. That is for facial hairs. If you are a guy or something, you're going to like this one. So pick the one that you want, change the color. And then here you're going to come, and then you're going to pick ear piercings. Do you wear earrings? What earrings do you want for your avatar? Just pick the one that you like. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this one since I'm going with a corporate look, right? This is a WhatsApp I use for business. So do you have hearing devices? Change the color. Then this is for highway. Do you want to have highway, or you want to just leave it alone like that? Just pick the one that you like, right? I think I'm going to go with this one. This one is looking like a serious business executive. So I'm going to change the color to nude. So I think I'm going to go with this. And then do you want to wear a hat or not? Just select the one that you like. Do you understand? So basically, anyone, I'm trying to see if I would see a hat that looks corporate. So I think this one is not bad. Let's just make the color of the hat this. Then when you are done, you just simply click on done, right? So it's going to ask you, and do you want to keep editing, or just click on save changes. Then your avatar is ready to be used. Click on next. Then you can actually use this avatar to as a profile picture, or share it on your WhatsApp status, however you want to use it, right? You can even browse your stickers, and you can always edit it later. So these are stickers that you can use to chat with your customers, to chat with your friends and family on WhatsApp. And you can as well edit it, right? If you're tired of this particular outfit, all you have to do, click on edit avatar, and then you choose all of these things all over again and go with the one you like. Let's say I want to change the outfit. All I have to just do is come here, pick another outfit, right? And then I have changed it. Okay, done. Save changes, right? You can see that my avatar has changed, so I can decide. You can see that my stickers will automatically change as well, so I can decide to use them in my WhatsApp chat. So you can choose to share this to your WhatsApp status, or not to share to your WhatsApp status. So here we go, guys. Just click on this, and then you're going to see this icon here. You would see avatars, and then you can see all of these. So you can basically use all of these avatars just like Facebook avatars, right? So that's how you create your own WhatsApp avatar, guys, and you can use it to build more real connection with your WhatsApp contacts. So we have all, if you want to express love, happiness, sad, angry, reaction, lifestyle, and all of that. Okay, if you want to edit, just click on that little pen icon right beside it, and then it's going to bring you here, and you can always edit your avatar.
All right, so how did you see that tutorial? Did you enjoy the tutorial? Are you going to be creating your own custom WhatsApp avatars? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you've not yet liked this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Finally, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time for you to tap on that subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. Until next time, when I come your way again in my next video, keep being amazing, and I'm rooting for you. Mwah.